Hello everyone, I am Sushma Yonzen and today I'm going to talk about the challenges encountered in projects. Projects often encounter a range of challenges that can impede the progress and impact outcomes. As per the PMBOK 6th edition guide, these challenges often stems out from various factors such as scope creep, inadequate risk management, resource constraints, and stakeholder misalignment. To understand these challenges, I have chosen the case study of the Garden Bridge London project. The Garden Bridge London project was an ambitious plan to construct a pedestrian bridge with trees and garden across the River Thames. The project gained initial support from the government and private donors. However, the project quickly encountered challenges such as escalating cost and design complexities, which led to its abandonment. The first challenge that I'm going to talk about is budget overruns. Budget overruns typically occurs in projects with inaccurate initial cost estimates or when unanticipated complexities arises. The Garden Bridge London faced similar issues with poor cost estimation and evolving design complexities. Projects can overcome this issue through detailed budget review. This issue can be prevented through initial preliminary studies and cost-benefit analysis. Projects often lack clear scope and definition due to inadequate planning, lack of communication, evolving project objectives, and lack of stakeholder consensus. All these factors leads to scope creep. There was a lot of ambiguity regarding the London Garden Bridge project's functional goals of whether it would be a tourist attraction, an urban green space, or simply improve pedestrian connectivity. This lack of clarity led to frequent changes in its design and ultimately made it difficult to maintain a stable project scope. Projects can overcome this issue through implementing strict change management practices to evaluate and approve scope changes. This issue can be prevented by maintaining a well-defined project scope and objectives from the start, ensuring alignment with all its stakeholders. The project evaluation challenge often arises when there is no clear evaluation framework. It is common in complex projects with numerous stakeholders with competing interests. The Garden Bridge London project had a flawed project evaluation process which lacked transparency. Key decisions were made by political interest and public appeal rather than feasibility. Projects can overcome these challenges by detailed project justifications and publicizing cost-benefit analysis. This issue can be prevented by providing transparent documentation and evaluation planning. The last challenge that I'm going to talk about is poor communication. Poor communication often occurs across cross-functional teams with diverse workforce and projects that lack clear communication plans and tools. There was a lack of alignment between the stakeholders in the Garden Bridge London. Key decisions were often made without proper coordination among these stakeholders. The project also lacked transparency in communicating to the public regarding its funding sources. Projects can overcome this issue by conducting regular team meetings and utilizing collaborative tools. This issue can be prevented through comprehensive communication plan and addressing any communication issues which could lead to communication barriers. After this analysis, we can now conclude that the Garden Bridge London project serves as a typical case study where a project failed to address the different issues encountered and ultimately led to its cancellation. Future projects can improve their chances of success by addressing these common challenges and pitfalls from the outset. Thank you.